Hey y'all, it's Kylie. One of you guys gave me a brilliant idea. I don't know why I have never tried this before. Okay, someone told me to add canned pumpkin to iced coffee. That sounds pretty brilliant to me. I don't know why I have never done that before. So I'm adding some canned pumpkin. I'm using my Premier Pumpkin Shake. Next, I'm gonna add some Jordan. This is not Jordan Skinny Syrup, but it is Skinny Syrup. It is caramel. And then I'm just gonna add some coffee over it. It's still warm, but it's gonna do. I don't have patience. Patience was not a gift that God blessed me with, so I am making it while it's still hot. And I'm gonna blend it up. I'm gonna taste test this for y'all to make sure it's good, but anything pumpkin, I love, so. I don't know why I've never done this before. It's amazing. This is going to be a 1WW point iced coffee at home. Saves a lot of money. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll be making these that way from now on. Love y'all.